Hey guys, Tina Babak with you, and this is my List Infinity review. Guys, if you are in online marketing, you need to build your list to make money online, okay? And List Infinity is a tool and software which will actually allow you to build massive email lists and generate passive commissions, okay? So in this review, I will not only show you what's List Infinity about, but I will also share with you strategy how to promote it and how you can get buyers traffic from my personal buyers list to promote your List Infinity. So let's dive in. Okay, so first of all, why I like the idea to have List Infinity in my actually set of tools, okay, for affiliate marketing. So first of all, as you can see, they give you a lot of different cool actually opt-in pages, and even just for that people charge like big money, so you can just copy them for any business, just change the words if you don't want to promote, for example, List Infinity, but still you can use the ideas of here, okay? And again, I find it like amazing opt-in pages, okay? Now, so first of all, how it helps you. What you need to do, you just go to register, and again the registration is free. Again, just take a look how cool their pages are, okay? You can just use this as an idea to create any of your online opt-in pages, okay? So let's come back. Okay, so you register for free, and you just need to create set up your system, okay? For this you just connect your autoresponders. This can be GetResponse or Aweber. You customize your bridge page, okay? And they even give you email campaigns, okay, for Aweber and for GetResponse as well. So then you set up your payment processor. You can simply connect your PayPal or Stripe. And if you are upgrading to Pro, which is one-time payment, okay, $100, you'll be able to connect these extra passive income streams, which is Lead Lightning, Aweber, Udemy, ClickMagick, and FB Suite. So these are my affiliate links, and you'll be able to do the same. Okay, the idea of this of the creators is very simple but very powerful. You simply use their their opt-in pages to promote your List Lightning, okay? And there are two possibilities. So people can simply subscribe using free traffic, free account, okay, and then if they want to upgrade, they pay $100 plus $25 admin fee, okay? So when your referral will upgrade to this Pro, okay, you will get these $100 directly to your PayPal. So you pay just once, okay, and then every time somebody upgrades, you simply get another $100, another $100, another $100, and so on, okay? So next thing, what you do, you simply use this $100, you go to Udemy, for example, or to any other solo ad vendors place, okay, and you simply invest this money to buy more traffic, to promote this offer, and get and this is how you build your list using other people's money, okay? So again, remember, you just pay $100 one time, okay? And each and every time somebody upgrades, you got $100 immediately. No need to wait for 30 days or refund period. You just get this money, okay? Now what I can do for you as well, when you join this using my affiliate link, and when you upgrade to Pro, I will give you actually access to my traffic rotator for 30 days, okay? So I'm a traffic vendor, solo ad vendor as well. I worked in this industry for many years, and as you can see, my traffic starts from $1 per click, and this is why actually I think this is a good deal for you, because again, when you just join for free, you upgrade, and you send me a message, Gina, hi, how are you doing? And I'm in your team, I'm a Pro member, and I want to add my link to your traffic rotator. So I'm adding your link to my traffic rotator, and you start generating free leads and sales, hopefully sales. And this is how you actually start building your list faster, okay? Now, what I also wanted to share with you today is that there is a very easy system how you can promote this even with free traffic. So for example, this is what I would recommend you to do. You just go to your Facebook profile and you simply add another page. So for example, in this case, I created a page and I called it Viral List Building and Passive Income System. Okay, and then you simply create your first post. Okay, and to this post and also to the description, you can add your affiliate link using Bitly, for example. And again, when people click, they simply redirect to your opt-in page, and this is how you build your list for free. But how you get traffic, actually, this is very easy. I think you probably know that you can join different affiliate groups as a page, okay, not as your Facebook profile, but as your page. And when you join these groups like a page, and you can comment on any post, or you can create your value post inside of these groups, but people will see that the post was created from the page, okay? And when they go to this page, they will actually see your information about the viral list building, passive income streams, and so on. So you can also add here some posts about how much people can make, how fast they can build your list, and everything. So another cool thing about this is that they also give you promotional materials, and see, for example, for Facebook posts, and they even give you a list of 100 Facebook groups that allow these ads. Okay, so what you can do, you can also use these pictures for Facebook page, or you can also use this picture to put it to create the Facebook cover if you want to put this on your Facebook profile. Okay, and let's take a look actually 6 posts at these 6 posts for your Facebook. So for example, see, time is coming, keep time action, watch your time, blah blah blah. Okay, let me see, do you feel like film? Okay, so see, this is like, you know, you can use this post like just for engagement, okay, on your timeline. For example, let me see how it looks like. Okay, just create a post, put it here, and again, this is also helpful because again, you can use it for engagement, not only here but also on your timeline. So they just save you a lot of time. In my case, this would look like this. Okay. Let me show you something else. Okay. Click here to access. Yeah, I like this as well. So for example, see, who wants access to a viral marketing system that grows your email list and your PayPal account like wildfire? Okay, and you just use it. Again, you just go into your Facebook profile, for example, or again, you can post it inside of the group. So for example, if you will take a look for affiliate marketing elite, affiliate marketing groups, affiliate marketing worldwide, for example, you can post it here. Okay, like this. I mean, it looks very cool, yeah, and you don't need to waste your time to think, okay, what to say. They give you this information and you just use these posts. Okay, not to mention that you can do the same inside of your own Facebook group. Okay, and then people comment, and then you simply invite them to join your List Infinity program. Okay. Okay, so they give you also pro training videos, okay, about success mindset, free Facebook marketing, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and even 10K per month passive income blueprint. Okay, so guys, I do believe that this system has something to help you. to help you, like, build your list faster. Because again, the system is very easy. Again, you just go, you register. You can use free or paid account. You register, you get their lead capture pages. Okay, you use this lead capture pages. You can simply drive traffic from actually solid vendors, from Udemy. Okay, looks very professional. I love it. And this is how you build your list, and at the same time you're making money. But again, I would recommend you simply reinvest those money from pro members to simply drive more traffic. Because when you have your list, okay, you can promote anything. For example, me, I'm sending like, around 4 letters per day, and this allows me to make this kind of money. Like you can see, during the last 3 months, I made almost 24K already. Okay, so this is the power of a list building. And this is the power of getting your own list for business. Okay, guys, I hope it was useful. If this is the first time you see my videos, don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, give me some comments, likes, and I'll talk to you soon.